You speak really, really well. Did you teach yourself English?
No, English is, I think, is the most difficult language.
Yeah, it's hard.
First time when I come to United States and learning, I just hello, my name is Jackie Chan. I don't know how to order food.
Yeah.
Yeah, and because like my babysitter, he go away just by myself. I'm very hungry. Then I see the restaurant. Then people wait on the line. Okay, then I'm not going. Then I've been practiced the whole night.
You're right.
Yeah, and bacon, toast, milk sandwich.
Right.
Bacon, toast, milk sandwich. Okay, next morning I get up because the jet lag. I was get up early in the morning, like at 6 o'clock. I wait on the line. Then the actress, the waitress,
Waitress, same thing.
She sent me to the table.
Yeah.
Then she gave me a menu.
Yeah.
Then I pretend to see the menu.
Yeah, you're reading it.
Yeah. I don't know how to read.
Right.
Pretend to see
okay.
the menu.
Yeah.
Then later on, she coming back. Whatever she say something.